A Georgia man says he's on death row because he's black, and the jury that sentenced him is white. Tomorrow, the Supreme Court will hear his case, and as Weija Jang reports, the outcome could change the way juries nationwide are selected.
Timothy Tyrone Foster does not deny killing a 79-year-old woman during a burglary in her northern Georgia home. But Foster says he didn't get a fair trial because the prosecutor removed all the black candidates from the jury. The trial came just a year after the Supreme Court ruled jurors could not be excused because of their race, but lawyers could still dismiss them for cause.
What we've seen since the case was decided is that prosecutors continue to strike African Americans or Hispanics from the juries and then just make up reasons for striking them as long as they're not race reasons.
Stephen Bright, a veteran death penalty attorney, is representing Foster. He went through the prosecution team's notes and says he found blatant discrimination.
What we really found was an arsenal of smoking guns.
The name of each potential black juror was highlighted. The word black was circled next to the race question on questionnaires. And in this list of possible jurors titled Definite No's, the top 5 people are black. During closing arguments, the prosecutor urged the all-white jury to sentence Foster to death, in part to deter other people out there in the projects from doing the same again. Tomorrow, Bright will argue the Supreme Court should grant Foster a new trial and force trial judges to hold juror challenges to a higher standard.
They have to scrutinize the reasons that prosecutors give, and that they can't just take them at face value. Because if that's going to happen, then this is going to continue from now on.
Georgia courts have repeatedly rejected claims of discrimination. Jeff, prosecutors even argue they actually wanted a black juror to avoid accusations that the jury was biased.
All right, Weija, thank you.